This is how 10 Swami Vivekananda quotes can change your entire life.
What if I told you the secret to crushing your daily challenges and finding unstoppable motivation isn't some complex new philosophy, but wisdom from over a century ago? We are diving into 10 Swami Vivekananda quotes that aren't just words, they're powerful tools to ignite your drive. And stick around because the last one, it completely rewired how I approach everything. If you've ever felt stuck, uninspired, or just needed that extra push to tackle your goals, you're in the right place. I'm Inspiration, and today we're unlocking ancient wisdom for modern motivation. We'll break down how to actually use these powerful insights, not just read them. Ready to get motivated? Alright, first up, this is foundational. Vivekananda said, "Believe in yourself and the world will believe in you." Think about it, how often do we wait for external validation? This quote flips that script. Your own self-belief is the most powerful catalyst. How to use it? Every morning before you even check your phone, repeat this, feel it, internalize that your own conviction is what attracts success. Now, what happens when you don't believe? That leads us to quote number 2. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a command to action. Feeling that inertia, that urge to procrastinate? This quote is your alarm clock. Use it when you're tempted to hit snooze on your dreams. Visualize yourself arising. What's the very first step you can take right now? Do that, then the next. Don't wait for the perfect moment. But what if the goal feels impossibly far away? Quote 3 tackles that head on. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. It reframes challenges not as setbacks but as opportunities. Every difficulty you face is like a weight in the gym, building your mental and emotional muscle. When things get tough, don't groan. Think, okay, what strength am I building right now? This perspective shift is huge. And this strength, it's essential for dealing with other people. Vivekananda wisely stated, "You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself." This isn't strictly religious, it's about trusting your inner compass, your intuition. When the world feels chaotic, your inner belief is your anchor. Practice checking in with yourself. Does this decision align with your core values? Trusting that inner voice builds resilience. Speaking of resilience, take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. This quote liberates you from the fear of failure. It says that even failure is a form of success, a chance to learn and help others. So, what's one calculated risk you've been avoiding? Use this quote to give yourself permission to try. Remember, guiding others often comes from your experiences, and the journey itself requires focus. How do we maintain that? The power of concentration is the only key to the treasure house of knowledge. In our hyper-distracted world, this is gold. Vivekananda knew that true progress comes from deep, unwavering focus. How to apply it? Dedicate specific blocks of time to single tasks, turn off notifications, practice mindfulness. Train your brain to concentrate like a laser. But focus on what? On our purpose, right? The greatest sign of success is the ability to put oneself to useful employment ever in the midst of great difficulties. This is about contribution. Finding purpose in what you do, especially when things are tough. It's not just about personal gain. It's about usefulness. Ask yourself, how can I be useful today? Even in small ways, this shifts your focus from problems to solutions and impact. A strong man cannot help a weaker man, but his education can. This highlights the power of empowerment through knowledge and skill, not just handouts. It's about enabling others to become strong themselves. For you, this means seeking knowledge continuously. And if you're in a position to teach or mentor, focus on equipping others with the tools they need to succeed independently. The mind is everything. What you think you become. This is a classic, and for good reason. Your thoughts literally shape your reality. Negative self-talk? That's what you'll create.
Consciously choose your thoughts. Challenge negativity. Cultivate positive, growth-oriented thinking. This is the bedrock of all motivation. And to truly embody this, you need a powerful, driving force, the final quote, and the one that really changed things for me: whatever you believe, in your heart, you are that. This goes beyond just thinking. It's about deep-seated belief, about passion. What do you truly love? What makes you feel alive? Align your actions with that core belief, that passion. When you do, motivation isn't something you find, it's something that emanates from you. It becomes your identity. So, there you have it, 10 incredible quotes from Swami Vivekananda. Which one resonated most with you today? Seriously, drop the number of the quote that hit you hardest in the comments below. I'd love to hear your biggest takeaway. And if you found value in this, do me a favor, hit that like button. It really helps the channel and tells YouTube you want more content like this. And while you're at it, subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, the power is within you. Go out there and make it happen.